Hello friends, today I want to show how to terminate the coax cables. Is RG6 coax cables. Here is and also I have here my connector is BNC connectors. I have here is my BNC connectors. You see the BNC connector is a little different with the F connectors. It has all nail inside. And also for terminating we have this coax cable stripper I have here is for RG11, RG7, 59. Right here I have my strippers. I have my compression tools. It's client tool. It's very nice for all different size of the connectors. Here you see here is for F connector. The first lane is for the F connector. The second one is for another one, the like the BNC connectors. We use that ones. Right now I'm going to first terminate my coax cables. I want to put my coax cable right here. I don't want to put it in outside. We always use the BNC, the connectors size, and if it's all the way up, if the F connector we put right here in below to this mark right here, but it's BNC connector I want to put it right here in inside, right here. I want to go to twist like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because here is 2 razor knife inside. One is cut all the way the insulation, the shades, everything. The second one is cut only the insulation. Right here it's cut very good. This one is nothing is in for the copper. We keep it clean, good. This one is for the copper, for the insulation, sorry. See, it's cut very nice. It's all the insulation is around the wires. I'm going to put it down. We don't want this insulation attached to the copper wires. It's not good for the, if touch, it's not, the termination is will be wrong and not passed. Twist it all. This one is down. It's my BNC connector. I want to keep it. Cut this one and outside insulation also. Right here I have it. Sorry about that. Cut all the way down. Take it, see, all the wire is inside. Just I want to keep it that foam is inside. Just keep it that one right here. Okay, right here. Okay, strip it very good. Don't want to touch anything. Right now I want to put it to my BNC connector right here, all the way down. You see this copper go to touch to the gold wires right there. Keep it down all the way down. Push it down all the way push all the way down, because the copper wire, sorry, it's attached to this gold wire is inside the connector. It should be attached to the right here. When we terminating, there's a below plastic below is go all the way away, just show a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put in my compression tools right here. Sorry, I have here the BNC connectors termination bar right here. Okay, right now I'm going to push it and down. It's very nice, really. The termination is very good. The compression is, you see, it's too tight. We want to see it's terminated. You see all the blue plastic is go all the way away. It means it terminating is very good. It's touched. Everything looks good, but it's terminated. The coaxial they is twisting because of touching to go to the male connectors on the wall or the termination boards right here. That's it. It was the coax BNC connector RG6 coaxial termination. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe for the next videos. Have a good one.